when the night was long and lonely, and my heart was tired of trying, when the tears fell like a river, and I thought I couldn't carry on. There was music in the darkness, there was comfort in a song, and somehow through that gentle voice I found the strength to carry on. Thank you, Dolly, for the songs that held my hand when I was weak, for every word that gave me hope when I had nothing left to speak. You didn't know my story, but somehow you knew my pain. And when my heart was breaking, your music helped me breathe again. I have walked through storms and valleys, I have cried where no one saw, but your songs became a shelter when I couldn't find a door. You reminded me of kindness, you reminded me to dream that even when the road gets hard, there's still a light ahead of me. Thank you, Dolly, for the songs that held my hand when I was weak, for every word that gave me hope when I had nothing left to speak. You didn't know my story, but somehow you knew my pain. And when my heart was breaking, your music helped me breathe again. Some voices fade with time, but some become a part of us. Some songs become our memories, some songs become our strength. And when I hear your voice again, I'll remember where I've been. I'll smile through all the tears and say thank you for the music. Thank you, Dolly, for the songs, for every tear and every smile, for giving broken hearts a reason to keep walking one more mile. Your voice will keep on traveling long after this day is gone. And every time I need some hope, work here carries on.